Assalamu alaikum guys, this is your host Abdul Kudus and I welcome you all to my channel Kudus Tech. If you are tired of watching videos and none of them is helping you to approve your Sidra KYC, then you are here at a right place. In today's video, inshallah, I will tell you some tips and tricks that will help you approve your KYC faster. Before that, if you are new, you can subscribe to this channel for future latest updates and projects videos and other information. Also like this video and share with your friends. As you can see, my KYC has been approved. So now let me show you an account, and here I will tell you all the tips and tricks that are necessary for approval of Sidra KYC. So the first thing you have to do is to watch out for this date, the date on which you have submitted your previous KYC. If it has been more than 1 week, you have to remove your previous KYC from this sign. Clicking on this and clicking on OK, all of your previous documents will be removed. And now after clicking here, starting from this face tracking, you have to submit all of your documents again. The second point you have to keep in mind is that always upload clear pictures and use back camera. Either these pictures are of your identity card or that one in which you hold your identity card over your shoulder. You have to use back camera, and if your mobile camera is not good, log in your ID and some of your friends mobile whose camera is good, and submit your KYC there. The only thing that can help you approve your KYC faster is the pictures quality. As far as I have seen, and many of my community members KYC are approved because of the pictures quality. They see nothing, and if your CNIC details and your pictures are clear, your KYC will be approved very soon. The third and most important step is that you should not leave your KYC for more than 1 week. If your KYC is not approved in the first attempt, remove your previous documents from this sign after 1 week and resubmit all of your documents again, starting from face tracking until the last step you have to do again. And one more important thing you have to keep in your mind is that do not get disheartened. As far as my KYC is concerned, I have resubmitted my documents for 8 times. So if your KYC is not approved in first turn, submit again and try your luck again. The important thing is that they do not deliberately approve KYCs. If KYCs of all the users are approved, then the rate will be too much down. So out of 1000 KYC submitted, only on the average I can say that only 10 out of 1000 or 1 out of 100 KYC is usually approved. So this is the rate. You have to submit your KYC again and again to try your luck and be among those 1% people. One more important thing that I want to share is that I have made a community for buying selling of Sidra Pi and other coins. If your KYC is approved, you can join my community. The link is in description. I will give you highest rate and secure trusted deals are carried out here. So the link is in the description. Do join it. So all these points that I have discussed, you have to keep in mind those, and do not leave your KYC for more than 1 week. Also upload your pictures and other details correctly, and your pictures and HD qualities, the details should be clear and visible. And the last tip is that submit your KYC again and again and try your luck to be among those 1% approximately people whose KYCs are approved on regular basis. As far as of that paid KYC, it has been closed before Eid and have not been open till now. So you have to wait for that. If paid KYC is open, you can also try your luck there, and for that you have to also join my community. I will give the prices and other information if paid KYC is open. So that was all about today's video. If you have any issue about your KYC, you can join my community on WhatsApp and text me there. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Till that time, do care for yourself, for your family. Allah Hafiz.